Hey guys, we got a trouble call for a Badger water meter that apparently isn't connecting to the cloud. We've got these Badger meters with what's called ion water. It uses a small cellular endpoint to upload water meter readings so that operators don't have to drive around and physically read each meter. So if something's going on, we'll go take a look, see if we can figure it out. All right, see you there. There it is. It's a little full of dirt. There's the actual. Oh yeah, it's a little dirty. Jeez. Guess I should try to clean this out. Alright, here's the display. See the meter body right there. It's totally blank. Let's see, this cable comes up, and then this is a lithium-ion battery. And here, that's supposed to have about 10 years of life in it, but it doesn't seem to be working. The last thing to check is this connection right here. Oh, that is very clean. Yep, very neat. Perfect. Yep. So, must be some kind of internal failure. And just need to get a replacement. Alright. This one.